கேளு பாப்பா, கேள்விகளாயிரம் கேளு பாப்பா. கேட்டால் கிடைப்பது பொது அறிவு, அந்த கேள்வியில் வளர்வது பகுத்தறிவு.
Welcome to Math Psych. Learn from the right sources, you gain knowledge. Raise questions, you improve your intelligent quotient. Trying to get answers with patience, you improve your emotional quotient. Oh, alright. Now you become a good learner. Learning is a never-ending process. Let us learn together. Welcome. For learning derivatives, we need to check whether the function is differentiable at that particular point or not. Let us assume y equal to f of x be a curve which is continuous at a point x equal to a. Then how to check the differentiability at that particular point? For that we need to find LHT and RHT. LHT is L f dash of a. The formula for finding that one is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a by minus h. And for the right hand derivative, RHT can be written as R of f dash of a, limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h. So approaching the curve from the left, finding the slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is what f of a minus h minus f of a by minus h, that is LHT. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 from the right, f of a plus h minus f of a by a plus h minus a, that is what h is. If your LHT and RHT are equal, then the function is differentiable at x equal to a. Now let us see an example. Here f of x is a curve 7x minus 2 when x is less than 2, 3 times of x plus 2 when x equal to 2, 3x square when x is greater than 2. Now for checking the differentiability at x equal to a, that means x equal to 2, we have to prove the function is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay, here we are finding LHL at 2. There will be 7 into 2 minus 2, 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 2, 12. RHL will be 3 into 2 square, will be like 3 into 4, 12 again. So LHL equal to RHL, limit exists. Then we are finding f of 2, which is 3 into 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 into 4 is 12 again. Thus the function is continuous at x equal to 2. Now let's find left hand derivative. L f dash of 2, limit h tends to 0, f of 2 minus h minus f of 2 by minus h. Here f of 2 minus h has to be substituted in that 7x minus 2 thing. So 7 times of 2 minus h minus 2 minus 12. We already knew f of 2 is 12. Whole thing divided by minus h. On simplifying the numerator, we end up getting 14 and minus 14 got cancelled. So minus 7h by minus h, that will be 7. So LHT is 7. Now let's find right hand derivative. R f dash of 2 is limit h tends to 0, f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 by h. If you look at the function, we have to substitute f of 2 plus h for 3h square. So 3 into 2 plus h the whole square minus f of 2, which is 12, whole thing divided by h. And expanding the 2 plus h the whole square and multiply 3 with that, we get the 12 and 12 get cancelled. When you take h common from the remaining thing, h times of 12 plus 3h by h got cancelled. So it will be just 12. Here LHT and RHT are equal, thus f of x is differentiable at x equal to 2. If you want to find out f dash of 2, which is nothing but 12 itself. Let's see one more example. F of x equals x cube minus 20 when x is less than 3, x square plus 2 when x is equal to 3, 4x minus 5 when x is greater than 3. Here, before finding differentiability, you have to check the continuity. Well, we are checking the continuity here. We found LHL is 3 cube minus 20, which is 7. RHL is 4 into 3 minus 5, 12 minus 5, 7. So limit x tends to 3, f of x exists and is equal to 7. Fine. Now we need to find f of 3. X square plus 2. Intentionally I make it x square plus 2. It would have been x square minus 2. If it is x square minus 2, the function would have been continuous. Then you need to go for the differentiability to test the differentiability. But here f of x is x square plus 2. Thus f of 3 is 3 square, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 is not equal to 11. So limit exists but is not equal to exact value. The function is not continuous at x equal to 3. So it is not at all differentiable at x equal to 3. Now let us see one more different question. Suppose the function is differentiable at particular point. They may ask you to find out 1 or 2 unknown values involved in that function. Let f of x is a function x square plus 3x plus p when x is lesser than 1, qx plus 2 when x is greater than or equal to 1. It is given the function is differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay, if the function is differentiable, it has to be continuous. Then our LHL and RHL should be same, and of course it is equal to exact value, but here are only two functions, so just make LHL equal to RHL. LHL will be 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus p, so 4 plus p. RHL will be q into 1 plus 2. So 4 plus p equal to q plus 2. We end up getting the condition q equal to p plus 2 here. So this is equation number 1. It is given that the function is differentiable. Therefore, we can say LHT should be equal to RHT. We make sure that LHT equal to RHT because function is differentiable, so LHT should be equal to RHT. So formula for LHT and formula for RHT, substitute A as 1, then f of 1 minus h will be substituted from where x is lesser than 1, and for the other side RHT thing, f of 1 plus h, you have to substitute x greater than 1. So 1 minus h the whole square, x square plus 3x plus p is the function. So 1 minus h the whole square plus 3 into 1 minus h plus p. On the other side, qx plus 2, so q times of 1 plus h plus 2. And keep simplifying, you finally end up getting like something in terms of both p and q on the left hand side. So instead of q, you can write p plus 2. On simplifying the left hand side, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 h square is there, minus 2h minus 3h become minus 5h. Then 1 p is there, and just minus q. Instead of q, you can write p plus 2 because already we found the condition. You can look back and see the equation 1. Now simplifying the left hand side as well as the right hand side, all things get cancelled. Q got cancelled, 2 got cancelled. We end up with qh by h, which is nothing but q itself. And on the other side, h square minus 5h by minus h, take h common, cancel out, put h equal to 0. We'll have minus 5 by minus 1, that is nothing but 5. So q is 5, and we know q equal to p plus 2. Substitute q as 5, p is 3. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please share the good thoughts including this video. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.